Unlike Zima, a Google partner that manages over $2 million a year in advertising budget, improving your click-through rate is one of the fundamental keys to success in advertising, and it is the same for any type of campaign. Whether you're spending $10 a day or $1,000 a day, these same tips are what is necessary in order for you to beat your competition at the auction and get the most traffic to your site at the highest optimization possible. The higher, the better the optimization, the lower and the more efficient your campaign is. It's just that simple. So let's dive in and look at these points now.
Did you know there's a big chance you might be wasting your money on Google Ads and setting yourself up for a negative ROI? It's relatively easy to create a Google Ads account and get your ads running. However, if you want to see sales coming to your bank account, there's more to it than just writing a good ad copy and targeting relevant keywords. Set up and track your goals. Google Analytics goals have a direct impact on how well your ads are going to perform. Google's algorithm is the one responsible for rating your ads and optimizing them for better results. And to do so, it needs to be fed with data, aka your goals, to measure and analyze your campaigns accurately. Increase your page speed. How willing are you to spend time on the website page that loads slow, like really slow? I'd guess that you're most likely going to abandon it if it doesn't load right away. That's why when people click on your ad, you have to ensure it takes them to the page that doesn't take hours to load. Ensure your website is secure. It's essential to prove both to your visitors and Google that your website isn't a scam and that they can click on your ad without worrying about being infected with malware. Using an HTTPS and SSL certificate with the URL registration is a proven way to establish credibility in the eyes of Google and your prospects. Enhance your landing page quality and appeal. Since your quality score depends on your landing page, it should directly reflect your ad. Here's how you can assure it's highly relevant. Use the same keywords in your ad and your landing page. Conduct A/B testing. Be short and consistent. Match your CTAs. Make it appealing. Make sure your site has trust signals. This is what you should include on your landing page to convince both Google and customers that you're trustworthy. Customer testimonials, case studies, media mentions, client logos, copyright and privacy policies, social proof like links to your social media accounts. No matter what you do to help Google optimize your ads for better performance, always remember that it doesn't take one night to reach the desired outcome. And as long as you follow the pieces of advice I have provided, you're already one step forward towards increasing your Google Ads results.
Thanks for watching this Google Ads tutorial. It means a lot to us if you like and subscribe this video. We're making Google Ads, Facebook ads, and other resources available to marketers like you so you can have access to them at no cost. We're giving you the best of the best for free, so tune in to our next course.